Hi, my name is Lorena and this is my project. So I'm going to start with the things that are correct and some things I have not done correct. What I need done bad. One, don't think about me. Don't trust me a person. Don't think people. Don't put me ability. Don't you believe it me? What I'm doing will to study supporting my family, God will and me grades, study and English, learn to loot me. Smart words examples. One family because they make my feel brother. School I know people, my friends. Sport the strengths I have my mentally. Passions finish my grade and start one. And personal development work on me. Finish my students. One, when do we want to activate be 2 years. Two, one can me help me and my family. Three, Malgual body accounts ability partner. My mom Adriana Olvera Valencia. Possibly obstacle. And family cause or an accident. What will I have overcome the obstacle? Working on the and looking forward to it. My goal planner. Goal about going out in English class. Start from now on. Darjeeling December. Why I want to reach this goal? Because it will help my watch what I want to be on future and it as important branch for our kids. People will help my to reach this goal. My family, my action steps. One, learn it, read it and understand it. Put into practice which some will know me. It will to work. Going with people. Thank you so much ever you for watching this video. I have enjoyed it. Thanks, Joe.